All right. So now we're going to start with paragraph one. So paragraph one says, discuss the origin of the problem. What is the problem? When did it start? What was the cause? Who is affected by the problem? Include references. Now, we're going to look at Dr. Kimberly Walker's dissertation. We're going to continue to look at this. Time spent gaming and marital quality, the effects of MMORPGs. Okay, now this is online gaming. Her study is on online gaming's effect on marital quality. That's essentially what it is. Okay, so Dr. Walker starts out with the origin of the problem in the first paragraph. Okay, now recent studies estimated that roughly 160 million adult Americans play internet-based games. Okay, and she gives her references. References are very important. For example, Adams 2017 and Karanze et al. Karanze et al. Argued that excessive internet use, defined as losing the ability to stop going online to the point where it impacts other areas of life, including relationships, emotions, social life, school, etc., is strongly associated with different somatic, mental, and interpersonal problems, such as recurrent difficulties in relationships to others. Okay? Now, so Dr. Walker is saying here that the origin of the problem is not gaming, it's internet use, excessive internet use. Okay? That's her argument. Adult high engagement players appear to have at least some negative consequences in their lives, like the repercussions of missing school, work, and lack of sleep. Okay? So the first thing that Dr. Walker talks about is excessive internet use. She doesn't even start talking about gaming. She mentions it, but she focuses on internet use as the origin of the problem, right? So what is the problem? Excessive internet use, right? That's the origin. When did it start? Let's see. When did it start? Recent was 160 million play internet-based games. Adams, what are you saying? Excessive internet use. All right, she doesn't really say when it started, but you need to do that. What is the cause? Basically, she's saying, look, it's internet. People get on the internet and they spend a whole lot of time on the internet. That's basically the cause. And who is affected? 100 and what did she say, Adams? 160 million adults play internet-based games. She didn't really give a number here, but you need to do that. Okay, so you need to have a little bit more descriptive. I mean, she obviously, this was fine because she got her doctorate, but we need a little bit more information here. This is okay, but it doesn't meet what I want you to do. It would have been better if she would have included all of these. Now, she does say 160 million, which sort of implies that out of this 160 million, some people could experience this. So she does have a number there, but we want a little bit more precision. Okay, so again, chapter 1, what is the problem? Pause the video and you write, what is the problem? The sentences associated with the problem. Next, start the video. When did it start? When did the problem start? Pause the video and you write, when did the problem start? Give the background of the problem. All right? Start the video. What was the cause of the problem? Pause the video and you write about what was the cause of the problem. Start the video once you finish. Who is affected by the problem? Pause the video and then you start writing. That's how you do this. Okay? You do this one item at a time until you've completed the paragraph, and then you go on to the next paragraph. All right, so this is paragraph 1. Now we're going to go to paragraph 2.